Alright, g'day guys, welcome back to SRS. Today, as you can probably see, we're huge fans of Plazmaman and their products, so we figured we'd give you a quick rundown through some of the products of theirs that we use on all of our cars. These bad boys here, these intercoolers, they'll keep anything cold.
Plazmaman keeps anything cool. He's running his billet-built RB, pushing 2,000 horsepower, running the Pro Series Plazmaman intercooler. It's about 5.5 inches. About 5.5 inches. It's about Red Bull width. You get the option of running hose clamps, or you got these Plazmaman quick clamps, which are better rated for more high horsepower. We run them on pretty well everything around here and whatnot.
This week, boys took GHEE UP back, chasing the megawatt, got it easy, no problems, never had any doubts with Plazmaman behind us. So 60 pounder boost, roughly 59.5, and no issues were had, weren't even worried about it, mate. Worm drives in the bin, don't need hose clamps when you got plasma clamps.
We cracked the megawatt, right?
Stewie's red car, 2,000 horsepower, 80 pounder boost probably, somewhere in that region.
All day, every day.
That's if Jesse will let him. This car will be running the exact same clamps. We trust them, we sell them, we put them on all our cars. Every car, every customer car, everything gets them. If you pan around, George, you'll see they're going on that, they're going on that. We stand by their product, they stand by their product, and we believe in it, so.
It's made in Australia.
Made in Australia. There you go.
Made in Australia.
That wasn't on the cheat sheet, George. So RB28, so this was originally an RB26, obviously. It's got a Nitto stroker kit in it. So being an RB26, it would usually have 6 independent throttle bodies with the Plazmaman intake manifold. That's all done away with. When you buy your manifold, you can specify if you want 6 or 12 injectors, so they have provisions for both, depending on what you want to do.
And Plazmaman seems to work quite swimmingly. Currently running a 100mm Pro Series Plazmaman intercooler setup on this. It seems to be taking it pretty well. Intercoolers are rated to 1,400 horsepower, and it's nearly putting every bit of that through it at the moment and still holding up. Thanks for coming in, tuning into the work. No, you're up. Thanks for coming in, tuning in for the SRS workshop and our little take on the Plazmaman products that we run pretty much on everything here. And yeah, see you next time.